Well, hello. I'm Frank Kutka with the Sustainable Development Institute at College of Menominee Nation. Taking a little break here from making ridges in our experimental garden. The ancestral Menominee people made ridged gardens all across the reservation and much of northeastern Wisconsin and the southern part of the Upper Peninsula. We're trying to understand exactly why they did it and experience a little bit about what it takes to make ridges in soil. So we're here today working some compost in, rebuilding some ridges so we can plant some corn, and then we'll keep track of yield and soil temperatures and see if we can understand why they went through all this effort, because it mattered a lot. They did it for centuries. So hopefully we'll learn why.
Nicely done. So Doc, I got a follow-up question for you.
Yeah.
What is the point of the press at the end?
The soil is all fluffed up after we build this up. Fluffy soil dries out very fast. So we're pressing it down a little bit, not compacting it, but pressing it a little bit so it's a little bit less air, a little bit more soil all connected so the moisture will stay in place, so the seeds will hopefully germinate very well. Last year it was droughty. We had a lot of trouble getting seed. So like